Welcome back to Soothing Mandala. I'm so happy you are here. Let me tell you a little story. Not long ago, I found myself sitting quietly, feeling overwhelmed by the noise of life. You know that feeling when everything outside is loud and inside it's even louder. I reached for my tool. I dipped a brush and I placed a single dot on the canvas. Then another and another. Somewhere in those quiet moments of circle, something shifted. The noise faded. My breath softened. I felt still. That's the magic of mandala. The word mandala means circle, but it's really a doorway, a path inward. Across cultures and centuries, people have turned to it as a symbol of universe, the self, the journey of life. And even if you have never painted one, you have at least seen mandala in flowers, snowflakes, and spiral of seashell. They are everywhere, reminding us of something bigger, something whole. When we create mandala, we aren't just making art, we are listening, healing, connecting, centering. Each dot is like a breath, each pattern a prayer. So, whether you are here to begin your own mandala journey or simply to feel a little more grounded, you are in the right place. Next time, I will share how this practice became my life's work and how you can start even with just a dot. Until then, keep breathing, keep creating, and keep coming back to yourself, one dot at a time.